Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Look at this bright white space. It is waiting for a magical friend to appear. Let's whisper. Hello, little drawing. The empty space feels like a quiet stage before a funny fairy tale begins. A soft, wiggly shape pops onto the page. It looks like a little cloud, or maybe a jelly bean taking a nap. What could it become? Let's watch carefully, because every great character starts with a simple line. Oh, a round little nose appears, and a tiny crown sits on top. Our mystery friend is becoming royal. The crown says, "I may be small, but I am ready for a magical adventure."
Okay.
Now we see a smiling piggy face with curious eyes and rosy cheeks. A little body joins the head, and our piggy princess looks proud. She seems to say, "Ta-da, I am here."
Yes!
The crown gets taller and fancier, with tiny circles like jewels. Our piggy princess stands very still, smiling sweetly. She looks ready to wave to everyone in the kingdom of crayons and giggles.
Wow!
A little arm stretches out, and a magic wand begins to appear. The wand has a round tip, perfect for gentle wishes. Maybe she will make cookies rain from the sky. Wouldn't that be silly?
Whee!
The wand turns into a star wand, and tiny fingers hold it carefully. A curly tail appears behind her dress. Our piggy princess is not just royal now. She is becoming a magical fairy piggy. Two soft wings grow on her back, like little butterfly pillows. She holds her star wand proudly. With a happy smile, she looks ready to flutter above flowers, clouds, and maybe one very surprised cupcake.
Yes!
Little legs and tiny shoes appear under her dress. Now she can dance, jump, and tiptoe through magical puddles of sparkle. Her arm opens wide, as if she is saying, "Come along, friends."
Yay!
Her shape becomes clearer and stronger. The dress is neat, the shoes are cute, and her smile is calm and kind. She looks like she is practicing a royal fairy walk. Step, wiggle, sparkle, giggle.
Wow!
The wings get decorated with pretty lines, like leaves or feathers. The star wand shines in her hand. Our fairy piggy might be ready to grant a wish for friendship, laughter, and a sky full of twinkly stars.
Yes!
A bright star appears beside her, floating in the air. She holds her wand up proudly, and her wings look ready for takeoff. Maybe the star is her first magical helper, blinking hello from the sky.
Okay.
More stars begin to dance around her. She leans slightly, as if she is floating in a gentle breeze. Her crown stays perfectly on her head, which is very impressive for a flying piggy princess.
Whee!
The fairy piggy drifts through a sky filled with stars. Her little feet point downward, and her wand points forward. She looks brave, cheerful, and ready to sprinkle kindness everywhere she goes.
Wow!
The starry world grows brighter and busier. Our magical friend keeps smiling as she floats along. Every star seems to cheer, hooray! The picture feels full of motion, like a tiny parade in the sky.
Whee!
Now the fairy piggy princess is full of color. Her pink face glows, her crown shines gold, her dress is blue, and her wings sparkle with rainbow magic. She twirls happily and sends one final wish. Be kind, be joyful, and keep imagining.